Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back with another video on the Rat Wagon, and today's video, I don't know, this has been done about a bajillion times, but I bought a couple of parts for this car. We have a brand new fuel filter. We have a brand new fuel pump. There's actually two fuel pumps under here. We're just going to change one for now because the other one hasn't come in just yet, and I think this is going to make this car run so much better because the fuel filter that is on it right now looks horrible. I mean, it's a hot mess. So we're going to put this nice, beautiful one on. Hopefully we have some copper washers, and hopefully we're not going to screw it up. That is a backbone to something that got dragged in here and eaten. Please be dead. Please be dead. Please. Oh, I smashed his brain. Yeah, we got rain. Hunt for the second vehicle has taken us to...
What are you gonna say?
It's just too much for me to screw out.
What do you think about this car, Mike?
Mikey likes.
You like it?
Mikey likes.
I'm in the car.
What we've got right here is one very old fuel filter and one very old fuel pump. So I have two new parts. What we want to do first, though, is drain the gasoline and make sure that we're not going to explode. So we did take off the battery. I'm using it in the Volvo right now because it just happened to fit. Of course, there's something else wrong with the Volvo, but we'll talk about that later. I'm missing a screw that should be right there. So let me drain the gasoline and we'll put it in a container, and then we'll go ahead and take these things off. We'll need some wrenches, a screwdriver, and it's not that difficult. It's really not. Like a 7 and an 8 millimeter right here, if I remember right, and then a 15 and a 17 to get all these pieces off. We'll go ahead and lube them up too. But anyway, this is what it looks like. Woo, woo, woo. This is the most awkward position ever. But we have removed our two electric plugs. Some people take this off as a unit. I think I might do that. So I'm just going to disconnect this right back here. I believe this is like a 17 and then maybe a 19 to hold this on. We may have some more gas come out, so I am prepared for that. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen. So that is a 17. This is way bigger. So I'm guessing, let's see what this is. Pretty good. Okay. Let's just see what's going to happen now. Look at that. Perfect. Now, let's get this positioned right here to catch our 6 drops of oil. Well, gasoline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Hopefully now this should come forward because I'm missing the piece right here that kind of holds these together. Here we go. Oh, yeah, let's do this. Woo! This is stinky. Now, hopefully, here it is. Oh, look at this. This is perfection. Look at that. This is a great sign. This is a very, very good sign. All right, we are prepared for surgery. We're going to remember the way this is situated. So we have the little one, the negative. I believe this is the negative one at about 7. The positive, the larger one, I think is at 1 o'clock. So we'll put the new ones in there like that. I've got a 20 millimeter that's going to hold this person right here. And I have a 17 that should loosen this just like this. So here we go. With a little help from my knee. Okay, nice. So that's one. And then this one, they give you a little place. Where's my 20? Is this the 20? Yeah, they give you a little place right here to kind of hold on to it. Or maybe it's a 21. Okay. Well, that let go right there. I didn't want that. I guess that'll work. Okay. Whew. Oops. Okay, let's... Even though I've been driving this for a while, the fuel is a little smelly. So I've got that situated. This is how this used to go. Let's see, do we get O-rings or not? Or cop washers? I don't know. I don't think we do. Well, sugar daddy. So let me see if I have any copper washers. We're back. We found all kinds of washers. I mean, I've been collecting these for a long, long time. So I'm happy with that. Washer, washer, washer came with it. Washer and washer. So we should be good to go. So now let's just kind of tighten all this stuff down. So you can go here. And I guess, here we go. And I believe, here we go. Wait, let's make sure this one's tight too, because sometimes... Yeah, that's tight. All right, no leaks. No leaks there. And when you get the fuel pump, you get the new check valve, so that's nice. It looks beautiful just the way it came out, so we'll put the little sleeve back on here. And it goes back in the car. Hopefully you can see what's going to happen. Perfection is going to happen because all I have to do is slip this right back in place. Here we go. There. Okay. That looks about perfect. So all we do now, oh shoot, don't do this. No, 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 no peeing. Stop. Don't pee. Okay, now let's address this situation. I should have some rubber boots for these. I don't know if I do. Let me go try to find them. Hopefully you can see this masterpiece right there. Look at that. That is perfection. I found boots. I found some kinky boots. Yeah, and I've covered up the electrical connectors on this one. Everything is tightened up. I hope I don't have any leaks. We'll check that, okay? We can release the pressure right here on our hose. There it is. You are good to go. And I have one extra boot. I'm going to order another one, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on the power to this guy. Sorry about the camera work. This guy right there. See this? See how it's kind of leaking? That's not real good. We'll tighten that up, and I'll put on one of the boots. I'll order another one, but I think I'm going to go ahead and get another fuel pump too, just to make this perfection. And I'll put the cover on. I have the cover for this one. I got to find the cover for the other one. But I'm very happy and I'm very proud of myself. Let's give the car a start. See if we have a leak. I want you to look all through there. Hopefully I have the key. I do have the key. Ugh. Let the gasket up. And come on, little girl. Here we go. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, she runs good. She sounds so pretty. Let's put on our glasses. Safety first, and we're gonna go spelunking for leaks. All right. Nothing here. Okay. Well, after all that, we have no leaks. All right, because this car has done so well, it is time now for you, and I know, I'm a mess. I am a hot mess. It is time for you to help me choose what pair of shoes this girl is going to get. And Lola, you got to get over here because you're in the way. Don't show off your booty. Get over here. Get over here. All right. This is going to be... Stop. Get out of here. Come on, I got to show the people these lovely wheels. This is option number 1. What? 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 Don't you come at me. Don't you come at me. All right, anyway, this is going to be option number 1. Let me show you what option number 2 is. All right, this is another dirty mess. Probably a little too big. Okay, that's going to be option number 2. I don't think that's even a possibility. Yeah, that's a hot one. Option number 3, this. Much more suitable, about the same size. Okay, that's option 3. And I've got one more for you. It's very similar. Okay, this is AMG style. It's got the nice little deep dish right in here. It's got the wrong tires, but I have 4 of these. And that's a great sound for you right there. That's a beautiful sound. All right. Option number 4. In fact, let me get something. Here we go. This will help us decide. All right. Pretend that's a tire. There you go. What do you think? That's kind of sexy. I don't know. Here's where you come in. Vote. Original, 1, 2, 3, or 4, and let me know what you think. I think Lola's made her choice, but I'm going to listen to you guys, okay? Because I just picked up this set. There was an old E320, well, a 2000, and it had these cool wheels on it. Tires were shot. I was hoping they were okay, but I picked these up for like $140. For all 4 of them, we can get some tires put on. But I think that's pretty good looking. I do. All right. There we have it, my friends. Those are the options. Okay. We have 1, 2, which is too big, 3, which is pretty nice, or 4, which has no tire. So, let me know, what you were thinking. And I think I already know. But I want to know what you think. Okay, everybody, thank you for watching this video. I will read the comments on this one. I know we just changed a fuel pump and a fuel filter, but this part right here is a huge decision, and I really need everyone to give me their thoughts, okay? I've changed a bajillion fuel filters and fuel pumps, and I know it's nothing special to watch, but right now, that's all I could produce for a video. And then I thought I would let you guys help me choose. So once again, option 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me know what you think. Lola, what do you like? Which one is your favorite? You haven't got a haircut yet, have you? Huh? You really haven't. You're just you look like a bear. Just like a monster, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. We're back with another video very, very soon. In the meantime, hug those kids if you got them. And if you have a dog, take them out in the back and play with them. I think that's what we're going to do. Maybe we'll get the duck involved, okay? All right, everybody. We'll see you soon. Bye.